Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, February 21st. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So we do have an expiration today. Keep that in mind. We had some real grinding up basically the entire day after A and B period, right? A and B went down. We balanced for 9 time frames before the market really started trying to grind up and take back the sell tail. This morning and overnight, as you can see, they've spent the whole, ES spent the whole overnight in M's, in the top of M's range in settlement. Now they're trying to eat away the rest of the sell tail. NQ also right above M's high. We have wide pointed controls, 17 wide ES, 15 NQ. But NQ in the last 10 minutes or so has really pushed back up. Now, we're in balance, right? We're in balance on all time frames. So yesterday's high is not the important one. The important high will be Wednesday. In ES, that's an all-time high to see if they finally blow through it. Did we shake out a bunch of weak longs yesterday? And are we going to have a new batch that is stronger to not only test the balance high, but get through it? In NQ's case, again, yesterday's high is not the balance high. It's Wednesday. But they still have a lot more work to do if they come out of balance on the daily. ES has a chance to go up on the monthly, weekly, daily if they take out the 6650 level. NQ, on the other hand, if they took out the 300 level, would be going up on the daily, but certainly not on the monthly or weekly yet, as they still need to get above 22,450. Okay, so right now, the early thing for bulls, they want to hold value, right? We want to hold value if you're a bull. If you hold value, being higher, good chance of taking out yesterday's high and going for the all-time high. And Q, you hold value higher, good chance of trying to at least take out the 19th high and come out of balance on the daily to the upside, right? There was wide pox below, so any acceptance below C's high and value starts coming back in, there's a good chance you're going to go down, test these wide pox. Okay? Basically the same in NQ. So it's imperative if you're a bull to hold the value higher. All right? Plain and simple. Righty, pretty much the same thing. They are now attempting to get into the sell tail here pre-market. All right? They've spent the whole overnight in balance in value. All right? So right now, they're trying to get above value high from yesterday. So again, game plan. There's still 75, 80 minutes to go prior to the opening. So I don't know where the overnight high is going to be. But again, if it's at a visual level, like at yesterday's high or something. Now again, yesterday's high won't be defended a lot. But if the overnight high in NQ is right here, excuse me. If the overnight high is right here, it's a good risk-reward short. See if they front-run it, and you use yesterday's high as you're out. Now, remember, as of now, ES overnight is mostly short. NQ, on the other hand, I think is long. Not 100%, but it's definitely long. So, again, that would be a decent risk-reward short. Now, if the overnight goes above yesterday's high, again, you could attempt to front-run it, but you better have an out somewhere. Okay? Same with ES. If this is the overnight high and you want to front-run it, you better use just a point total to get out. Now, if we get the overnight high and pull back, that's a great risk-reward long against both value high and the overnight low in ES. Same in NQ. Early plays, my friend. But boy, oh boy, if you were in the trading room, you'd be getting so much more. Chart-wise, again, tonight we will recap all 3 of these indices charts from top to bottom. Yesterday's volume ended up being the 10th lightest volume of the year in SPY, so that continues to plague us. There's your daily 4-day balance. We went bull, balance. Do we go back bull or attempt to come out bear? Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.